Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
A night vision scope amplifies ambient light to create a visible image for low light use. Treat the device like precision optics and avoid pointing it at bright lights. Always follow local laws and use eye protection when operating night vision outdoors after sunset. Confirm your scope model and generation so you understand performance and limits. Check battery type and voltage before powering on to avoid damage or malfunction. Store manuals and serial numbers in a safe place for reference and legal compliance. Securely mount the scope using the correct rail or ring torque values specified by the manufacturer. Use a stable rest or bipod to minimize movement during mounting and adjustment. Zero your night scope at a known distance, such as 25 yards, using visible aim points and consistent ammunition. Make small elevation and windage adjustments and confirm each shot group before finalizing zero. Adjust brightness and gain gradually to prevent image bloom and preserve target contrast in low light conditions. Recheck zero after transport and heavy recoil use. Power on the scope and allow it to stabilize for several seconds before use to protect electronics. Use infrared or IR illuminator only when needed and keep it aligned with the scope's optical axis. Adjust eyepiece focus and diopter for sharp reticles and target clarity prior to engaging targets. Clean lenses with a microfiber cloth and lens solution and avoid touching them with bare fingers. If the image is noisy or dims, replace batteries and verify IR emitter function before further use. Store the scope in a padded case with desiccant to prevent moisture damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.